Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can move Pinterest pins to another board. So to begin with, choose what pin you would like to change the board for. Let's say I'll go with this one, then open its editing menu. In here at the board section, select the new board for this particular pin, and then save the changes by tapping at the done button. And as you can see, the pin was removed from this board successfully and moved to the merge to board or folder, however you call it. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.